Hi, I'm Chris Bowe, Automation Manager at the HEH Group, and today we're giving you a look at our parameter-based programming on our cobot combos. So on this demo here, we're replicating a single spindle lathe, and we're picking up various lengths of round stock. So how the parametric programming works is on this HMI display, you can have some recipes, and all you're going to do is measure your parts, and you're going to enter the part length, how far that you want the robot grippers to hold the part, and you have a variable for fixture depth for how far you want to offset your part inside or outside of a fixture. So as your material gets removed through your process, at each location you'll put in your new dimensions of your part. If you want to change the grip depth as it goes to a sub spindle or to the outfeed, you're just going to input those data in there. We've already done all the robot programming in the background to handle all this, and we can do this application on single spindle lathes, dual spindle lathes, mills, or really any other special machinery. We can apply this as long as the parts are in a certain part family, so geometrically they're similar in size, but maybe just part lengths and diameters are changing. So in order to make these changes, we have this menu here for so in order to make changes, we have recipes here where you input the parameters, and we'll go to a different recipe here. And we'll read from the recipe, and now you have different values in here that you previously saved. So in order to load that, we'll send it to the robot. And what we'll do now is come over here and change these parts that were 50.2 millimeters in length, and these are 65.8 millimeters in length. So I've already loaded a new recipe. We'll come over here and we'll start the robot back up. And so right there, it's already adjusted its height to match the part length and the grip depth that we want on the part. And again, even though that all changed, we're still loading accurately in the machine. So the in feed and the out feed can be separate locations. We do not need to put it back in the same location. And again, we can add as many other auxiliary devices, inspections, deburr processes outside of this also. To assist the setup of a new part, we do have an image on the HMI that will give all the descriptions and the dimensions of the parts. So just follow this guide, and that'll help you on what dimensions you need to input.